All right, everyone. I'm really excited. I started this channel. Um, well, I actually did start this channel. I already had a YouTube channel. I should make that clear. I had a YouTube channel like everyone else, and I used to watch other people's reactions to songs that I enjoyed growing up from bands like Metallica and Aerosmith, Guns N' Roses, AC/DC, all these big name bands. And it was fun for me as an old guy because I'm in my mid 40s to see young kids, like people in their 20s and early 30s, and from different cultures and backgrounds, of course, listening to music from my day for the first time. So I always enjoyed seeing other people's reactions. That's why we do this, right? And I saw a lot of people in the comments section saying, "Oh, check out Nightwish Ghost Love Score," and I'm like, "Who is Nightwish? Who's this?" And I am not a very, I'm not a great reactor compared to some people, but I'm an honest reactor. But I'm not a great reactor. But I thought to myself, well, why don't I check out this song, Nightwish Ghost Love Score, that everyone keeps talking about on other people's channels, and I will react to it. So that's how my journey started with this kind of reaction channel that I've stumbled upon on myself. Because when I did that, of course, a lot of people commented, and I thought it was pretty cool because I was interacting with people. And I've done other bands, of course, and I've enjoyed other bands. And so this channel is kind of morphed into a Ryan looking for new music. And Nightwish, I've become a fan of. Of the bands, there's a few, and Nightwish is one of them, probably the top one that I've become a fan of doing this channel. And so now we have a new album by Nightwish since I started doing these reactions, if that all makes sense. So today, I'm excited. We are going to review Human and Nature, the full album by Nightwish. I'm going to do it in two parts. The human side first, then we're going to do the nature side in another part. I am not going to do Noise and Harvest because I already did those two songs. If you want to check out my reactions to those songs, check it out. And I just want to say for everyone during this time, be safe. Do what you're supposed to do to keep healthy and safe, to prolong yourself ever getting sick. I wish you guys all the best health and happiness in these troubled times. And if you're struggling financially, emotionally, physically, I want to offer my thoughts to you and my well wishes to you. And I'm sorry that you're going through this. We're going to get through this together. We really have to as a community, as a people, as neighbors, as friends, as coworkers. So, hey, if there's anything I can do to help, let me know. I'm really nobody, but if there's something I can do, if there's something I can say that will make you feel better, maybe just this video might brighten your day today. So here we go. Thank you, Nightwish. And also let's thank Nightwish for making new music, for doing this. I'm excited because this is the full lineup Nightwish band that I'm excited about. This is their new music. Here we go. Okay, ready? I just want to make sure I'm recording because we're about to go here. This is cool too. I'm using the YouTube videos because apparently there's lyric videos that Nightwish released on their own channel. I do have their album on my iPhone. I'm just going to use, of course, the YouTube versions because it has lyrics, which I love. So here we go. All right, sorry. Get my headphones in here. I'm excited. Here we go. Shush. Build up. Oh yeah, for the record, I haven't heard any of these songs yet. Nice build up. Oh. Oh, it's not just a lyric video, it's like actual like video. Wow. Troy's already singing in the background. Nice, right away, guitar solo. very first song is this song. Just want to make sure that it's going through my soundboard. I'm just very nervous here. Okay. So yeah, after the end of each song, I'm gonna just double check that I'm just so nervous. I don't want anything to go wrong here. Okay. Well, thoughts? Beautiful. I loved it. It's everything you hope for in a Nightwish song. And you got Troy singing in the background right away, which is really cool. Boy, they're using him right away. Thomas with the symphony sounds and the keyboard and the build-up. And then you can go look at my noise reaction if you want. But let's just roll right into Shoemaker. That's the next one. So, Shoemaker, where are you? I'm loving this. I just want to keep going because I know it's kind of a concept album. And to me, a lot of people, really like embrace that concept album stuff. I'll like it, but it's just so much going on that I don't even understand half of the poetry that's being said. So maybe it'll make sense as the songs go on. But to me, it's fine. I just want to listen to each song as it comes along. Here we go. Shoemaker. Behold. Oh, my apologies. So yeah, I don't have whatever the ads are going to Nightwish, right? So what else? Trolls. My kids love Trolls. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Heavy. Troy again. Wow, he's like the star of this album. On the stellar sea, but in little stars. We all wait the tonight beauty, which is worth the hunting. We've come to join you. Hope revive for a lifetime to rekindle the human spark in love with the night. Now you've been tucked in for eternal earth, rise and wonder. Let's sing the three waves. Story now high, darling at the earth. Yours is the whole star and the heavens of myriad endings. Here I came to be. You're reaching to the far. On the stellar sea, cut in little stars. Wow, nice.
And when he shall die, take him and cut him out in little stars, and he will make the face of heaven so fine that all the
Wow, what an ending. What an ending to that song. Floor, that's like a floor opera gasm. Does that make sense? That was an amazing ending to that song. Sorry, I'm just going to check every time, make sure I'm recording. Yep. Okay, so that was an amazing song. This is all a lot to take in. I don't know how I'm going to react to this like in a way that's engaging you guys, and I apologize for that because right now I'm just taking this in. It had the heavy elements in that song, which I love. Troy singing background vocals again. Like, this guy is like, you know, Floor and Troy album, which is great. But that ending with Floor with the opera and that chorus of opera singing in the background and the visual of the sun, the moon, the earth, it's boy, it's very powerful. Very powerful. Okay, so we've already done Harvest, which I loved. Now we're going to do Pan. So I just want to I don't want to wait. Let's just keep going. Oh, I should probably do my reviews during these little commercials. All right, again, I don't want anyone telling me to get rid of ads because I'll say this. They get the money for these ads. So this is all for Nightwish. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Nice. Hear Marco's bass there. Love that part. That's awesome. Nice. All right. Okay, so. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hey. My son delivered me coffee. Thank you. They know this is serious business. This is serious business when the coffee is delivered to me personally without me asking. It's okay. I don't have the virus. I just have I'm fine. So, okay, what was I going to say? When that song started off, I was a little bit nervous. I was like, okay, I'm not too sure what to think. Because it was just a little bit different. And then it just kicks in with that hardcore freaking driving rhythm and the operix. And this actually reminded me, and this is me talking with the little Nightwish knowledge I have, but it kind of reminded me of like an old school Nightwish song. So I know some of the critics of Nightwish today, compared to the Nightwish of yesteryears, are not a big fan of the Troy influence, or maybe the pipes, or the flutes or whatever. But this song kind of reminded me of a Annette Taria type mixer days. So definitely, I think this song would appeal to older Nightwish fans, I think. But I loved it anyways. I don't care. I love what they're doing. Pan. So like the stories and fairy tales and stuff like that. Something This Way Wicked Comes. Okay, just want to make sure I'm recording. Still recording. Okay, here we go. Pan. Now we're going to do How's the Heart. My heart is beating fast. This is who are these guys? Satir. Maybe I'll review them next. No, we won't. Okay. There's the Troy influence. Love it right away. Troy! Love this one already. Oh, I love it.
How's the silence, how's the warm, drowning in the mire, let the sound, human paean, come in the fire's warm, burn the rope and dance some more.
That was awesome. I think those who know me knew that I was going to probably like that one. How's the Heart? I think it's my... Ooh. That and Harvest right now are my... I love all the songs, but you always have favorites. And that one struck me right away. It brings me chills to the pipe playing and Troy singing. And I loved it. Oh, man. If Troy and Floor, I'm sorry. That's my Nightwish. So I hope you don't mind me drinking. This is a long video. Thanks for sticking around. I just spilled some. I'm a disaster. I loved it. Oh, How's My Heart? It's full. That song, Near Tears. Okay, and I do want to say, when's Marco coming in? I love Troy, and I love everyone. But I'm sure Marco's done some backing vocals, but I'm really hearing Troy on the backing vocals, if my ears don't deceive me. So maybe Marco has something coming up. I hope so. But anyways, the next song is Procession. Procession. Here we go.
This is Tyler.
Hey, Tyler. All right. Oops. Let's make sure I go back there. Okay. And I love these videos. They're the whoever did these videos, kudos. Good job. Seriously.
A cradle earth, a rising sun sea, new world and thirst for the arcade. We are singers of the calm. We remember as along came life, a cradle earth, a rising sun sea, birth of one and a zillion sideshows.
Zillion.
We are, we were, and will not be. We remember as along came acorn, another birth, another moss green, new world and thirst for the unseen, an empty suit, a starlight feature. We'll have a visit as along came heartbeat, another birth, another monster, endless forms, two words to stronger, menagerie of a new world order.
Yeah. Well, obviously the message is very sad. It's like basically humans came and we screwed it all up for the animal kingdom. Like, man, life is tough, man. This world is weird. It's tough, and I really appreciate the bands like Nightwish are sending the message of how we need to take care of Mother Earth and how to better ourselves. And let's not be the monster that's born. Let's be the one that helps this planet. It's a nice song. It's probably not the song itself. I think without the message behind the song, that's why I'm really glad there's these lyrics with the songs and the images, because it helps me draw me into the song. If I just listened to this on my iTunes, on my iPhone, I might not have been as drawn into it. So definitely the message behind the song is very, very important and valid and heartbreaking. But as a song itself, I might not be as excited about the song, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to just keep making sure I'm recording. Yep. There's my ugly mug times 1,000. Okay. Next we have Tribal. Check it out. Hi, mustache guy. How you doing? That is one heck of a mustache. Meet my new instructor. No. I don't want to learn anything. Oh, is he an astronaut? Crossing his fingers 1,000 times. Right, let's go. Tribal. Come on, Marco. Where are you? I mean, I know you're playing the bass, but I want to hear you sing. Like, sing, Marco. It's weird.
10,000 tales for the curious kind. The sorrow of albums for a half mind.
Nice. Very hard. Marco. Nice. Oh, yeah. They better play this one live. Crowd will be going. Oh, that was awesome. I love that. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Got to hear Marco sing a little bit there, if I'm not mistaken. So quiet, though. Oh! Love it. They better play this live. Okay, that song was fun. I think that's the most fun song on this album, if that makes sense. I mean, Nightwish, they don't take themselves seriously, but they were kind of a serious band in many ways. This song kind of was the most fun. I think it was a rocking song. It was fun, but the drums, the tribal, the dancing skeletons. I think this was kind of more of a fun song, and I loved it. And this is a song they need to play live because getting that crowd going. And can you just imagine Floor dancing around stage during that part? Anyways, I loved it. That was great. Okay, here we go. So make sure I'm still recording because we're nearing the end of side 1, the human side. I do notice they're doing a lot of repeats of lyrics and words from other songs. So that's the concept album coming. There's so much going on here. I'd have to review this album a few times to understand what's happening. But I'm loving it. Okay. And here we go. The last song on side 1, human side. What do we got here? Oh, right here. Endlessness. Oops, sorry. That's why it's live. It's live. I thought there was going to be an ad right away, so. Marco.
With you now that you have a voice, right amongst the carrion kind.
Is that Marco? Is that him? It is. I think that was Marco, right? Awesome.
I am the grass, the maggots, and the dust. I am the several endings, the pain of the soul, evil of an unsung life. Decades make them matter. Myriad tales shall be born.
Oh. Save the best for last. Tempo. All right, so that was Marco. He teased me. That was him. Like, and I apologize for not like recognizing it right away. That I'm just so nervous about saying the wrong thing anytime on these videos because I get the comments and people like, yeah. Anyways, that was part 1. I loved it. So endlessness, ness. That was a great song. Marco singing. Sing with Floor. This is amazing. This is just the first half of this album. So I'm really interested in what the second half will bring us. I don't think there's lyrics. It says here, no wait. All right, so it doesn't look like there's lyrics. So Flora's taking a break. Oh, she probably does background sounds and stuff. I shouldn't say that. So, all right, so let's go to part 2 next. Thanks for watching, everybody. I just want to say this second part, even if it sucks, which it won't, I don't think. We got a full great album here. There's 9 incredible songs. There was no stinkers on this album. Like, the only one that was like a little bit, left me a little bit wanting was the Procession song, though the message was amazing. Every other song on this album I love. I mean, thank you, Tuamas. Thank you, Nightwish. Thank you guys for an incredible album. Like I said, even if you just had this album, these 9 songs, that's a treat. That's amazing. And we have to be very grateful for that. So thank you, Nightwish, and thank you for putting this on your YouTube channel for us to react to share, to listen, to read to see the imagery. And all right, on to part 2.